Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Lockdown has made everybody's life miserable. It has made mine miserable for sure. Since morning I've been craving for some pistachio ice cream and I can't go out to get it. So I decided to make it at home, and since it's really easy to make it, I decided that I'll be sharing the recipe with you. So I'm going to show you the ingredients and the steps that you need now to make this easy, delicious ice cream. To make the ice cream, I am using here 2 cups of chilled whipping cream. To that, I will be adding about 3/4 cups of sweetened condensed milk. Now, since I'm making a pistachio flavored ice cream, I have here some pistachio flavor and here some green coloring, but you can just keep it simple and just use 1 tablespoon of vanilla if you want a vanilla ice cream. I have put my mixing bowl and the whisks here in the freezer for about 30 minutes. It should be really cold, and that's how I'm going to start. Pour all of this in my bowl. So now I have poured my whipping cream in. All you need to do is just beat this until soft peaks are formed. So that's how the cream should look like. Now it's ready. I'm going to add the condensed milk to it. So just pour it in with a spatula. You are going to mix everything. There you go. Just mixing that. And then after this, I will be adding the pistachio flavor and some green coloring, and I will continue mixing. Now I am going to add a tablespoon of the pistachio flavor. There you go. And some green food coloring. At this point, you just wanna lift it up like so and fold, lift and fold. That's how you should be mixing it. You can already see the color. I like to keep mine very light green. It depends on you, whatever you prefer. So I have been mixing this for about 2 minutes now, and like all my ingredients are well incorporated, and I'm quite satisfied with the color here. So this is how I like mine to be. I'm now going to put this in a container, and then I will be freezing it. I will be now putting this in my container. So now your ice cream is almost ready to go in the freezer. So the ice cream is now ready in my container. I am just going to put this in the freezer, and I'll catch up with you in 10 hours. Hi guys, I'm back after 10 hours now. I am going to check up on my ice cream. So I'm going to show you how this looks like. This looks done. I'm just going to open it. There you go, that's how it looks like. It's been in the freezer for about 10 hours and it's pretty frozen. So I'm going to scoop this out now. That's how it looks. My ice cream is done. It looks pretty good. I haven't added any pistachios or whatsoever because I really can't go outside to get it. All right, I am going to taste this now. Creamy, dense, and thick. Really good. You need to try this. It feels like I bought it from outside. This is absolutely amazing. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you've enjoyed watching the video. Thank you.